In today's video, we're going to be talking about a few things that may be stopping your mower from running, or in some cases even starting. And the first thing you will want to check is make sure there is enough gas in there. It's that simple. The next thing will be the air filter. It stops debris, and in some cases, if it's all clogged up, it's not getting enough air. So you might want to check that. Okay. Another thing that you may want to check if it starts and it stops is going to be maybe the fuel filter, and that might be, you might have to take this apart, and that's a little bit more complicated. And if you're running this mower and it's starting and you hear it kind of bogging down or straining and it stops all of a sudden, it might be that you need to remove the grass from the grass catcher. And if there's no grass catcher and you're mowing and it's still bogging down, you might have to open up the side chute, or the side discharge chute. It's that simple. All that grass gets in there and it kind of builds up and it strains the engine, and pretty much the blade can't turn and it shuts down. So those would be some of the main things. And I forgot one: spark plug. Sometimes that spark plug is damaged, or sometimes it's even removed. And another thing, if you're mowing and you're seeing a lot of smoke coming out, it might be that maybe you leaned your mower wrong or whatever, and for some reason oil got into compartments that it shouldn't. So those should be a few of the main things to look out for if you're mowing and you're having problems. And this is all going to be depend on the type of mower that you have. So read your owner's manual, and I hope this video was useful. Until next time.